we have Juan in the chat room. Hi Juan, how are you? Good. Can you hear me? Can I help you today? Okay, you say you wanna know how to solve linear equations by graphing. Yes. Yes, actually I have it here. Solving linear equations by graphing. Okay, so is this example okay for you? Okay, good. So the first thing we have to do is make these two equations. We're gonna we got my first equation here. I'm gonna put a 1 here. My second equation here, and for each equation I'm gonna make x and y 0. So what happens when x is equal to 0, and what happens when y is equal to 0? So that's how it works. So let's do the first one. I'm gonna put in color so you can differentiate. So what happens when from my first equation, what happens when x is equal to 0? So I'm going to substitute this value of 0 into my x variable in my first equation. So my x here is 0 plus y equals 1. So y will be equals to 1. And now I find a point on x, which is 0, and in y, which is 1. So far so good? Good. So now I'm going to make what happens when y is equal to 0 from the same equation. So that's gonna be x. I'm going to plug it in the 0 into my variable, becomes 0. So x will be equal to 1. So right now I find another point, which is the point 1 comma 0. Do you understand until now? Good. So now I'm going to take the other equation, my second equation, and I'm going to do the same thing. So from my second equation, so what happens when x is equal to 0? So again, I'm going to substitute this value 0 into my variable x in my equation. So y here will be equals to 3. So I find another point, which point is 0.3. And then I'm gonna make what happens when y is equal to 0 from the same equation. So that becomes 0 minus x equals to 3. And you will notice that minus my variable x is minus. So we had to give a positive value, and the only way to do it is by dividing in both sizes by minus 1. So that's going to be x equals to minus 3. So right now I found another point, which is the point minus 3 comma 0. So far so good. Good. So now I'm going to graphing. So I got my first point. My first point, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So you have my first point. My first point is 0.1. So we got 0 here and 1. So this point here is the point 0.1. My second point is the point 1 comma 0. So that's going to be here, and that will be the point 1 comma 0. Now I'm going to join these 2 points. You can see here is a so that's going to be my line. So that equation is my equation x plus y equals 1. That line. Now I'm going to make my second line. So I had a point 0 0.3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's the point 0 0.3. And my second point will be the point minus 3.0. 1, 2, 3, that's minus 3, 0. Sorry. Okay. And then I'm going to join these 2 points. And that will be this line is the line y minus x equals 3. So far so good. Okay, the solution is the point that intercepts both lines. So this point here is the intersection between the 2 linear equations. So that point, the coordinates of that point is right here is minus 1 and this is 2, right? So that solution will be equals to minus 1 comma 2. That will be my solution. That will be my interception point. You're welcome. Yeah, you can find more tutorials at KeyMath.com. I'm going to algebra. Okay? And you find a lot of tutorials. Each tutorial it costs only $5. Okay? To download the video, and each video contains at least from 10 to 15 resolved problems. Okay? You're welcome.